Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Mairidin Newmai.
Mairidin Newmai, another representative of the state of Nagaland, here tonight. We last saw him at MFN 10, wherein he got a dominant win. Sorry, at MFN 11, he fought Mandeep Prajapati, a local hero, and he got a dominant win. Tonight, he's back here again, and he's going to be taking on a very aggressive wrestler, Dushyant. Now, Arjun, we've seen this flurry of very aggressive, very talented and potential fighters from Nagaland. They have a camp there called TCA, and he's one of the best prospects in the camp.
No, you see a lot of these fighters from Northeast coming in. If you've not seen a fighter from the Northeast, they are some of the toughest warriors to come out of this country. They are absolutely tenacious, they never say die, and they have incredible strength in striking. They work very different jobs. They have high altitude training, living up in the mountains in cold climate, not used to the city rigor. So they have great gas tanks, great cardio, and we call that country strength.
I call it born headhunters.
No, he's going to come in with a great fight. I think we saw him at the at the press conference stare down yesterday. There was a little bit of intensity between Dushyant and him. It's going to be an interesting fight at the bantamweight division. Before we get ready for the co-main and main event, you never know. The bantamweights are watching one another. We've had a lot of great contests, and we might see a new contender set up after tonight's fight. He needs to stay composed, defend the takedowns. He comes from a great striking base, but because of his strength, he might be able to push off his opponent. But we never know. Like you said, his opponent is a great wrestler, but he needs to keep his range, land those strikes, and look for an early finish.
बिल्कुल इनके लिए बहुत जरूरी होगा कि ये टेक डाउन्स डिफेंड करें और उनको नलिफाई करें, क्योंकि इनके जो विरुद्ध में हैं दुष्यंत बहुत ही अव्वल दर्जे के रेसलर हैं. एंड दुष्यंत के लिए एक एडवांटेज और है that this time he being a bigger guy is cutting weight and he's fighting for the first time in the bantamweight division, challenging Newmai tonight here at Matrix Fight Night 14.
Man, it's going to be interesting to see what shape Dushyant will be in, because whenever you cut weight, if it's not done properly, it ends up sapping you.
True. But I believe Dushyant is 100% professional, and he's going to put up a show tonight here.
And his opponent from Uttar Pradesh, Dushyant Singh.
Look at that. Look at the swag. Delhi ki आन बान शान पहलवान दुष्यंत पहली बार बैंटम वेट में अपना जलवा दिखाने के लिए केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. हमने इनको देखा है 2 बार MFN में. पहली बार इनको सफलता नहीं मिली, बट दूसरी बार इन्होंने एंथनी सैम को हरा के अपना झंडा इसी स्टेडियम में इसी जगह लहराया था. पहली बार हम इनको देखेंगे बैंटम वेट में. हालांकि ये एक फेदरवेट फाइटर हैं जो कि पहली बार प्रोफेशनल फाइट करेंगे बैंटमवेट में.
It's very interesting. You see a lot of featherweights drop down to bantamweight to get a size advantage and a strength advantage, and we'll find out tonight if that's the case. But a lot of fighters, like you said, he's a professional and he looks in shape. But over time, a lot of featherweight fighters, if you're more comfortable at that weight class, you tend to stay there. And featherweight to bantamweight is not a very big leap. It's only 10 pounds or so, approximately about 6 kilograms. But if he's made the move permanently to bantamweight, he must have done it the right way. He's been training for a long time, and this time we're going to find out in this contest if he can match up with the speed and skill of his opponent.
Well, he had an easy peasy weight cut, and I'm sure it's going to play into his advantage. But इसके अलावा अर्जुन, दुष्यंत की जो स्टोरी है बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग, बहुत ही मोटिवेटिंग है. जब ये फाइट नहीं कर रहे होते, कैंप में नहीं होते, तो ये अपने पिताजी के साथ सब्जी का व्यापार करते हैं. जहांगीरपुरी के निवासी हैं और इनके परिवार में इनके भाइयों और बहनों के साथ इनके माता पिता हैं. इनके पिताजी बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हैं. इनको प्रेरणा मिलती है अपने पिताजी से, और जब ये कैंप में नहीं होते, जब ये ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर रहे होते हैं, तो अपने पिताजी के साथ एक इनका सब्जी की छोटी सी दुकान है. जहांगीरपुरी मंडी से सब्जी लेके आते हैं और उसका व्यापार अपने दुकान पे करते हैं.
You can see that a lot of fighters come from humble beginnings with humble starts, and that humility is what gives them the advantage inside the cage. Is that humility which teaches them how to train hard and focus. He needs to score his early takedown, use his strength, use his wrestling, use his grappling, push that pressure forward, and chest on chest not give his opponent any space. But one thing he cannot allow is to let his opponent keep that distance. If Newmai manages to keep his distance and allow Dushyant to keep his hands off him, he's in for a short night. Dushyant's strategy here tonight would be to make this a gritty, dirty, grimy match, take this fight to the ground and ground out his opponent.
For this fight, Dushyant, like many other fighters in the circuit, had a camp outside the country, and it was pretty unfortunate, you know. He was narrating us a very sad incident which put him in a bad spot at the training camp. So he says he wouldn't go outside. He's had a very bad experience with that training camp outside India, and he says he will never go there and train again. He would rather prefer our own Indian training camps over a flashy foreign training camp.
That's an interesting assessment, but we'll find out soon enough if he's made the right moves tonight as we get ready after this fight to move on into the co-main and main event of the evening. I can't believe such a spectacular night of fights is beginning to come close towards the co-main and main.
चलिए देखते हैं टेल ऑफ द टेप. ये है एक बैंटम वेट फाइट जहां ब्लू कॉर्नर में हमारे साथ है नागालैंड के न्यूमाई, जिनकी आयु है 26 वर्ष, और उनके विरुद्ध में है 22 वर्षीय दुष्यंत रेड कॉर्नर में.
For the final introductions, let's go to the boys. Jared Kyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, first fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 61.2 kilograms, fighting out of the Combat Academy, representing Nagaland. Give it up for Mairidin Newmai! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, his record 4 wins, 1 loss. He weighed in at 61.2 kilograms, fighting out of Soma Fight Club. Make some noise for Dushyant Singh! Well, ladies and gentlemen, the referee, Ranjit.
Both follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corners.
Here we go, Dushyant versus Newmai.
Another bantamweight battle here at Matrix Fight Night 14.
Striker versus grappler.
Let's go! And it all begins. Last fight on the card before we actually move on to the co-main and the main event. Dushyant starting off with a kick.
Dushyant finding it relatively easy to close the range and the distance, which makes me a little concerned for Newmai, because it would be better for him to keep that distance and range. Dushyant coming in this close quickly. Look at that. That was cheeky from Newmai, threatening the jumping knee as Dushyant tried to change levels. Interesting. Good head movement by Newmai. Catches one, gives one back. He's looking for that left check hook as Dushyant steps in. Nice inside leg kicks and body kicks there. A little bit of striking to close the range here. I wonder how long he takes to think about a takedown.
Oh, kick to the face. Wow! Looked like he landed a big right hand.
Newmai trying to find that check hook. Oh, look at that. He tried to get a knee in just a second late on that takedown. Just a second late in throwing that knee. Newmai doing a good job, sir, moving along as his opponent, but watch out. A high rubber guard attempt there by Newmai. And they're right in the center of the cage here. Dushyant trying to drag him now, push him up to the edge. Oh, look at this! Hang on, triangle attempt. But in that attempt, that allows Dushyant to transition into side control. But look at that rubber guard. Man, the flexibility on this kid.
हालांकि दुष्यंत की शैली रेसलिंग है, बट जुजुत्सु में उनको इतनी ख्याति प्राप्त नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे उनको देखना होगा कि कहीं वो एक गलत स्पॉट में ना फंस जाए जहाँ पे मारिदिन उनको सबमिशन लगा दें.
Dushyant is moving very, very well. He's circling out of danger. He's circling away from the legs of Newmai, not allowing him to pull pull him underneath his guard. But Newmai manages anyway. Got a butterfly hook on the left hand side. On both sides, he's going to look to elevate his hips.
Well, Dushyant is really top heavy, so what he's looking forward to is getting onto the mount and deliver punishment. Whoa!
Big attempt at overhand right on the ground, misses.
A pretty dominant start here by Dushyant.
Dushyant trying to land some, but he's got to be careful how he doesn't leave his arm in because Newmai is threatening to catch that arm. He's threatening to throw him into triangles. Shoves the legs away and goes into side control.
Pretty intelligent fighting here by Dushyant. Goes into the side control. Trying to go into north-south. Not actually north-south now. Now they are in north-south. Trying to switch into the other side.
But it's interesting to see what his strategy would be from this position though, because he's now brought it back to side control with a lot of submission opportunities from here, and Newmai brings it back to guard. So not a lot of tight groundwork, but still dominant from this position.
Well, it looks like both these gentlemen are playing chess on the ground.
Oh, it is.
I think this is the size advantage that's playing in favor of Dushyant. He's big. He's really big for this weight division.
No, they definitely look like weight class apart, but I wonder how much he weighs tonight. He'd definitely be 145.
Well, maybe more. 145 is his usual division. But you know, that's the beauty of the sport. You can dehydrate yourself, or maybe you can cut weight and rehydrate again.
Wait, look, hang on. He's trying a go-go plata attempt. He's going to try to put his shin underneath the neck. Pure strength, pure strength.
Pure strength over technique.
But interesting to see Newmai trying a go-go plata. That'll be incredible if he manages to pull that off.
Less than 30 seconds in this round number 1. I mean, it's going to be interesting to see, Arjun, what strategy Newmai brings into this bout in round number 2. 10 more seconds to go.
Oh wait, look at that. He could be looking for a choke here, but just or a technique to get back up. But good double underhooks. And Newmai, a little too late at the end of the first round, brings it back to the feet. Great fight so far.
Excellent fighting here. Let's look at the action replay. Beginning of the round by Newmai, throws in a low kick, and Dushyant answers back with another kick onto the face. Another kick.
A lot of deflected shots though, but that's the knee that was just a touch too late. Dushyant did a very good job of changing levels and going in for the takedown, but alas, this was the story of the round. A lot of top control from Dushyant, and a lot of submission attempts though from Newmai.
Well, as I said, it's going to be interesting to see what Newmai brings into round number 2, especially with the help of his corners. He's got to change his game plan and not go onto the ground. Well, let's look at the unofficial stats of round number 1. Dushyant has had 1 successful takedown out of 1 attempt. That's 100% rate. And he's thrown more ground strikes. 29-18. And of course, the ground control time, more than 60 seconds.
Here we go. Round number 2.
चलिए चलते हैं राउंड नंबर 2 की तरफ और राउंड नंबर 2 की शुरुआत एक स्लाइट लो एक और
He tries to elbow him by holding his leg there. Very Muay Thai-esque. Now Newmai has got a leg trap. He's trying to muscle him in the corner. He's got double underhooks, but good defense from Dushyant. It's that strength advantage here. But Newmai is tough as well. He's trying to drag him to the mat. Good defense from Dushyant. He's trying to... Look at that. He's using the visor to defend himself.
Both these guys living up the height. Intelligent defenses here by Newmai. Oh, man, I hate those knees, man. They're devastating. Short knees. Right onto your calf and quads.
Very nice reversal from Newmai and return fire now. Good clinch fighting. Both have over underhooks. Both fighting against the cage. Both trying to reverse, but it's that strength advantage though.
Whoa!
Very nice.
Welcome to Suplex City, Arjun.
Very nicely done. And in top position now, but again, Newmai trying that rubber guard. He's trying to pull his right leg up and across the neck.
Well, drum rolls here in the stadium. But once again, size advantage is what's playing in favor of Dushyant.
Exactly. It's the ridiculous size advantage. You can see it there, but there you go. He's trying to use a hook on the left-hand side and under-over, trying to flip him over. But it's just the weight. It's that top pressure and that weight. And he's going to try and sneak out the back door here.
He's got the mount.
There you go. He snuck out the back door here, but still on the bottom because of that pressure. Again, trying to look for that rubber guard. He's trying to pull it up to his neck to control that posture. And going to land some elbows from there. He might be looking. He's just so broad. His back is huge. Very smartly brings him to his corner. But that allowed Newmai to stand back up. Again, utilizes the visor to defend himself. To defend the takedown, sorry. And it's a good knee to the body. Newmai trying to establish wrist control here. Elbow across the face. And they're coming down to a little bit of hand fighting. An exhausting pace by both these men.
बहुत ही समझदारी के साथ दुष्यंत ने यहाँ पे न्यूमाई को अपने कॉर्नर में लेके गए और कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं केज के अगेंस्ट में.
This control, again landing some good shot, but he's just unable to shake him off him.
Newmai is just unable to reverse this clinch. Reverse this position against the cage.
There you go. Underhook now. Now may perhaps find a little bit of success from here, but still to no avail because of the size and it's the pressure. Over and over again. Oh, but look at this. He might trip him over. No! Check that out. He got him. He's a little too high and he falls right off him. But take it out. Look at this. He needs to watch out here. He's getting a little reckless.
Well, that was a mistake.
Again,
that was a mistake by Dushyant.
Mistake by both the men at this point. And some nice elbow there. But it's just the strength and the physicality of Dushyant that is just pushing, and he's manhandling Newmai in the grappling exchanges. Nice elbow there, beautiful elbow there. Oh, look at that, beautiful toss, hip toss, gets him down. And hang on, guillotine. Now he might be looking for a guillotine to stand back up.
Excellent defense here by Dushyant. Both these fighters on the feet once again.
Good, much better defense this time around by Newmai, managing to turn it around. 25 seconds remaining in the second round. Big right hand goes in for the takedown, but here we go. Boom, straight to the ground. And beautiful reversal. Wrestling 101.
Less than 10 seconds to go in round number 2.
He's got a beautiful headlock, trying to switch it up to a double. Very nicely done. Great technical fight between these two warriors. Let's take a look at the replays of round number 2. Here we go. It's all started off again with the clinch work. This battle has been contested primarily in the clinch. Beautiful throw by Dushyant. I mean, that's just, some of these wrestling throws are pure physicality. It's pure strength at this point. And the fact that he did it with such ease shows the size and strength advantage. This was an attempt here to take him back to his corner, but invariably lost position and was unable to capitalize. But beautifully here again, he thought that he had lost position but turned it around very, very well. Great high-level grappling by both these men. Constant reversals and constant advances, and that was a beautiful outside trip. Again, a guillotine attempt here at the end of the round, but he used it to flip him over and get that top position again. Incredible.
चलिए देखते हैं unofficial strikes. Round number 2 के Mairidin has thrown more number of strikes to the head and to the body compared to Dushyant, but Dushyant has thrown more number of leg strikes. Round number 3.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh,
Immediately.
another takedown attempt here by Dushyant. Takes Mairidin to the ground, stuck in the guard, trying to pass the guard.
I mean, Newmai from this position here is might be exasperated.
That's pure brute strength, Arjun. That's the kind of a beast Dushyant is.
Brute strength indeed. And he's got a gas tank to boot as well. Not at all fatigued from this approach. And he's just ragdolling him physically, trying to drag him to his corner.
Well, to me, it looks like a pure domination here by Dushyant.
I mean, you might try looking for a switch, but Dushyant realized and turned into him beautifully, drags him to the ground. It's just a size difference here at this point.
Well, this could be revenge time for Dushyant because he lost his MFN debut to Avizo, who's Mairidin's teammate.
Maybe. He might now try to land some elbows here.
There was some intelligent fighting by Newmai, however ineffective. Dushyant on his feet once again. Grabs Mairidin.
To toss him over. Newmai again trying to figure out a range of attack here, but he can't seem to stop the takedowns of Dushyant. He needs to try and keep him more at range, try to pepper that outside leg. But it's so fatiguing at this point after defending so many takedowns and spending so much time on the bottom. His gas tank must be sapped. And that's the thing with...
Oh! A flying knee here by Mairidin Newmai.
Unsuccessful though, and managed to allow Dushyant to close the distance between them.
An excellent fighting here by Mairidin. He's trying to fight the hands and he's trying to get out of that hold.
He doesn't have an underhook on the right hand side. He needs that to be able to control the back and posture. And Dushyant is doing a very good job of his head placement. He's on the right hand side. He's on the exact side where he has control, which is allowing him to stay here and pepper the shots. He can toss him around any moment that he wants. He can look to sweep him on the right side or drag him down on the left. It's all up to him right now. There you go. Now Newmai has that. Well, he had that underhook for a second there. But Dushyant just so much stronger than him.
Less than 2 minutes into this final round of this epic bantamweight battle between Mairidin Newmai and Dushyant. So far it's been a dominant display of action by Dushyant. And he continues.
I mean, Newmai needs to go for broke here. Oh, big elbow! Oh, he caught him. He might have stunned him with that one. Look at that. Dushyant immediately backed away. Oh, he could be playing possum. That elbow caught the attention of Dushyant immediately.
Dushyant charging in.
Newmai looking to land that shot again. He's waiting for Dushyant to come in, close the distance.
We've got almost a minute to go into this round, and Newmai trying to make it dirty. Oh!
Again, another elbow. Those elbows are having some success here. Dushyant, if he was in his corner, he would shoot again.
Well, you see the way Mairidin has changed the pace of the game. Right from Dushyant's corner, he's got the fight to his own corner. He's got less than 60 seconds to bring in some more action.
But it might be too little too late. That's what I mean. It's too little too late at this point. As Dushyant tosses him over, ragdolling him.
Well, that's a vulgar display of power here by Dushyant.
Again, Newmai still trying to pull guard, still trying to figure out a submission. But it's just too much at this point now, with too little time remaining to set anything up. Newmai again trying some offense on the bottom, but Dushyant knows he's got it all but one.
Well, that marks the end of the round. It's been an excellent fight so far. Let's look at the action replay. Dushyant tries to go in for the single leg takedown. However, Mairidin trying to defend it, gets taken down, and that's when another display of vulgar power by Dushyant stole the limelight here. Some short strikes by Mairidin.
But the highlight of this entire fight was basically academic, barring a few strikes here and an elbow or two there, which didn't really rock the boat as such. That was the elbow that we thought that might change the tide here. Another elbow again, but it was a little too late at this point. Dushyant had that one slam left in him and takes his opponent down and finishes the fight. Great fight by both these warriors. And we quickly go inside the ring now to Jared Kyle for the final decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored about 30-27 for your winner by unanimous decision, Dushyant Singh!
यही रिस्पेक्ट के लिए फाइट होती है. तालियां हो जाए जोरदार. What a match.